Wallet look like a science book, so a school
John
teach.
Yo, look at that. You didn't expect that. You never know what's up on top of the building on Monday and they want to represent for the culture again. I'm showing it's a song, you know. It's a hit video too. There's the doctor loading bus, kids them play out on the streets. Mother put her phone at a chop and she's not chopping. She's on her phone talking. Yo! Yo! Trouble. People, when you realize what's going on, when you see the last video I posted, right? Well, I'm back! I would have breathed your blood. Hey! Sorry for the bad word, that's the only bad word I'm going to curse. We're trying to keep it clean over here because we're trying to take over the entire Caribbean over here. But today we are running go back to Jamaica, so. Because we have Chronixx, Cool as the Breeze / Friday official video. This song was dropped 1 hour ago. I know say I'm gonna mash it up the real way phone. And me I say, so tear up the like button. Comment the fire emojis them. Well, if you new, are you me I talk to? Because if you new, just scroll down in the comment section and say lone fire emoji, all fire emojis. So play your part. Comment the fire emoji them. Like up the video. Make we get 200 likes for that video here. And you see me I say 2 likes. And for the most lit reactions on YouTube, you find the right place. The most lit reaction on YouTube. I'm the only one doing it this way. So if you're new guys, just please subscribe. I help me reach 30k subscribers. 30k before the year ends. So I say 30k, okay? Oh God, what's up to that? No more. Comment on the video, see your comment in the next video that I post. You don't know it's chop already, people. Right now, Chronixx, Cool as the Breeze. Right now, you see the reggae song number forward also. Reggae song number forward, so bang, boom, bang. Coffee goes to boom and drop, boom, lockdown. Go put that one in pan lock. You see me I say. No, Chronixx coming that one here. Make us see what go on now, man. Check out the coffee video that I reacted to. You understand me I say? That was a lit video and a hit video too. Now, you don't know me the copyright thing, you know. Reggae song. Run tune! See there? Copy it. Go on. You know what you close them on the line? Like I said, why you video me for? Why are you videoing me? That's what she said now. Why you video me for? Don't video me. Go on. Chronixx, Cool as the Breeze. Outside.
Oh yeah.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe already. People, you know say, we're back in the car. For the ones who know what I'm going now, have the kitchen lighter in the car. So you know it's not normal already, you know. The damn light. Hey, that you will feel me. Come here, right, tune.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's a good look.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, it's a hit song. It's a hit song that. The song not started, you know, brother. The song not started. I mean, look, yo, the video got shot already. The song not started. The video doesn't even know it's a hit song. People left for saying I'm mad. I know someone to already, man, to it yet. You guys listen to this already, I didn't. If the song bad, just let me know. Just let me know. Go on!
Yeah.
Bike man, I'm outside.
Yeah.
Culture represent for already.
Roll out the Cool as the Breeze.
Oh, God damn. The first 2 words. Roll out with Cool as the Breeze. And hear the instrumental. You know, says a hit song this. This song you go number 1 on the reggae charts. No, go on, because this is what you deal with.
Wallet look like a science book, so a school teach.
Yo, look at that. You didn't expect that. You never know what's up on top of the building on Monday and they want to represent for the culture again. I'm showing it's a song, you know. It's a hit video too. There's the doctor loading bus, kids them play out on the streets. Mother put her phone at a chop and she's not chopping. She's on her phone talking. Yo! Represent, go on.
Content up and as soon as me reach,
When I chop kid,
go get the sun, the shoes off my feet, then I bless the cup 32.
Monkey does dog! Yo! It's a hit song! Video bad! You crack all when they don't light up. I miss me carry your part. When they don't light up there. Go on!
Sounds me read. Give thanks for the love me receive. Me work every day in the street.
Chronixx, is a city as float in the streets? Chronixx? No, we need the kitchen lighter for that one. You go on, Chronixx, go on.
And every day end with nights like these. When
What?
a holiday, touch on the beach.
What?
White t-shirt and I got that beat.
Monkey does that. Yo, let's go. When last time you see a video like this? When have you ever seen a video like this? God damn. Come on, Chronixx. Let's go.
I need no sneakers. Sunburns and massage me feet, blessing a flow like river. Girl drop asleep, she's
Me like it. People want to think, Jano, the man of a vacuum. Man of a vacuum, the man of a cut the land. But Jano, oh no, this gonna mess my video up. Bruh. Easy. Anyways, what do y'all think of the video, guys? Let me know what y'all think of the video. Let's go.
in the Indica, we a car and say.
Yeah.
Sun burning up till it red.
Yeah.
Welcome to Kingston every day.
Welcome to Kingston every day. Oh, every day is Friday, that's what I'm gonna say. But I was just gonna say, you look at the video. Yang. You don't see no RR. You understand me? I try to say, look at the cars them when you see. The old school Toyota Corolla them. I saw them car here name. I say, oh, this one we have one of them. No, I about them. But the old school car them. Buckle belt. Go on, Chronixx. Go on.
Every night feel like a Friday.
Yeah.
Rev the bike till I'm saving.
Yeah. Bike your ass outside the area, man. Buckle belt. Yo. People left that video, but you know what I want right now? I want to like the video. When I tell you 100 likes tomorrow now, I want 500 likes on the video. That video deserves 500 likes for me reaction. But if you're not surprised, give me a 1,000. Jaja. Every day feel like Friday. No, I say that. I say if Chronixx song go trending, more want the video go trending to the reaction if you go trending. We need a trending reaction right now, so people like up the video and comment the 5 emoji. I'm so not gonna help the video get ranked more. You see me? I say some people can see the video. Go on, Chronixx. Alright, kids are play outside.
General, when you touch the road, me
Della Splash Chronixx. You know, sir, I start stream Jamaica music now. I mean, Jamaica, I could stream it. So I start stream them on Apple Music and them thing there. So I kind of support the culture now. You did me, I say, me not like, what did Jamaica? Me not do them something there. Me never have them time. Me never have them kind of phone and them thing there. I'm mad. But go on. I choke me attack. I'm not choke. Right, choke. Alright.
General, when you touch the road, me, I'm an empress of my brother, then you roll it.
Man, then when start general. What did he just say? God damn! Look at the rest of the flag in the background. But look at him that key the party. Yo, this video, man, know the person who made that video have the concept or the whatever right out of the video for go brother. Different. Because the start of the video alone is the Chronixx stand up on the roof, brother. And then pan off where you can see everybody dog. Like the man them a load the bus and the kids them a play outside and ride bicycle and the girl pan off talk to a man and think, yo, trust me, go on.
Stranger herbs pretty like an emerald and 1 pound. Now several little chalice pop it up, no Babylon to the vapor.
Yeah.
Tell her them ready for the energy we bring in every
I can't
time.
get over the fuck what the man are floating in the couch. I can't get over the fuck say he's actually floating in the couch. Look, see there right there. Yeah, that's supposed to take some hard green screening in the dark. But go on. Yeah.
Spending like I run, I think I Bolton. But come here, remember every day summer when you're there in Jamaica.
My forgot to the song over again. Forget why I really said that. I will go out there. Let me say I have a good time. Look how much people come out for the man video. I wish party, man. You know, I shot this in the dark. I remember I play some Jamaica, but the outside I have phone. People want to say if the song bad, I don't want to see the comment section. I want to see the 5 emoji them right now in the comment section. If the song bad, I don't know, so like up the video. Get 1,000 likes on the video. No joke. Right tune.
Hold on, baby. This place kinda crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, everybody a dance,
get we're not doing that. It's a reggae. It's a reggae, not a dancehall song. We're not doing that. But we're not going to act like we don't see those ladies. You understand me? But we're not doing that today. But we're not going to act like we don't see them. Guys, if you didn't know, when a female cross my eyes, trouble. Go on.
Babylon can't stop the music.
Yes.
Rastafari keep it grooving.
Shit.
The whole world I pray for that.
Babylon can't stop the music. Rastafari keep it moving. You see me and them have a vibe out that door. Normally when them things are going, police run come. Ooh. Go inside. Turn the yard. But for real though, say they could get together and go and then run out. Lock off that. That's what I'm doing. What are vibes, man? No, what are vibes? Run tune.
Down in the West Indies, God.
I pray to Jah that we can find a solution.
Nah, that's after the videographer, the producer. Yo. Jano Star. I don't know if you want to watch the video without me pausing it, guys. You know why I'm pausing the video. So if you want to watch it without me pausing it, link to the original video is going to be down below in the description of my video. So go support Chronixx again. Yeah, that's the one. Chronixx video go trending, so my one can go trending right and right. That's not me, I try to say. Right, tune. It's the next video, this is cool as the breeze. Cause the first one was Friday, I think. Let's see what's popping. Wheel it, dude.
Sun burning up till it red. Welcome to Kingston every day.
Sun burning up to the bread. Every day is Friday night. I thought it wasn't going to be the next song. No. I don't know what to expect. We'll just expect unexpected. That's why. If you never know, I'm the first time watching the video. Anything I'm react to, first time watching it.
It's a summer every night, feel like a Friday. Rep the bike till them swear. It's a on my high grade, I make with irate.
Trust me. This video give me a different view of Jamaica, dog. Look how Jamaica look pretty. And this is in the streets in the dog. I don't know, big mansion up on the building, the top of the building them in the dark. I'm not like this look pretty like money. Look on the building, on the colors, look on everything. What's there? What? This Shogi Dan playing Tobago artist. Alright, say less. Also with the party now. Run back in that show, Tyrekevlogs.
In the street, every day end with nights like these. When a holiday, we touch on the beach. A white t-shirt and a cut off jeans.
White t-shirt and a cut off. I saw the man them flex at Jamaica. Hi, mom. I know she happy that I got my car back. Guys, if you never know, I know some teeth my mother car for the whole last week I make video because my car was in the shop. Oh my gosh. And she come from work and see me now, because the man time and she, yo, run through, but not that about that, but I miss my camera. But I make love to you, I don't even know. I monkey hand like a bit. Go on!
We don't need no sneakers. No, the warmth and springs and massage my feet. My locks long like Jesus locks. When the steam this sativa
I'm representing for the full, like the whole culture now. Now them outside have a good time. Them a do the party thing this time. Every day is Friday, every night is Friday night, dog. Them have a party, you know, you see, look grind and go on, look slow wine thing and go on out the door. They grind pan that thing. You don't know chop, run through, we not talk about that. Go on.
La 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 dance, la 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 dance.
Hey.
Oh, dance.
Yeah, look baby and dance, mama.
Dance.
Look man, come here back and I video you. Run through. Go on, little man. Yeah, little man. Yeah, little man. Oh, the video bad, dog. If you could like the video a million times, you like it a million times. People like up my video, like up Chronixx video. You see me, I say, get the two of them to trending. I want something going at trending now, man. Trending king. You see me, I say, see, once we get one video trending, dog, and people find out about the Russian boss, every reaction I'm post I will go trending. Because my video them ever link. I don't even understand what I talk about, dog. Check out channel from the new. Run tune. Outside. Like have fun. Everybody have fun. Even Chronixx have fun. I love that. And me I have fun and react to that video because I be a smile from the video start. And I love chat. I don't know I love chat. I don't want to get copyright. God. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. That's scene. Hold on. That scene here. That scene with them. I want to get by that scene, the dog. But that scene, dog. Look on the scene, brother. Jamaica that dog. Like down a T-Valley still, man, not lie with them building that but look there. Like that video bad dog. Yeah.
Sun burning up till it red.
Sure, sun burning till it red. So when video like this done, you feel like you want to cry. That joke, I think. Hey! It's Friday every day, hey! Yes, you know it is a masterpiece, dog. Think them gonna show all them do the trick. Go on, don't go people. Thank you for checking out my reaction. If you guys, it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video so the video get recommends to more people. When you do subscribe, guys, please touch the bell to get notified every time I post a lit video. And all my videos are lit. I'm telling you, I'm the most lit reaction channel on YouTube. I'm the most lit channel on YouTube overall. Everything is lit over here. Peace out.